Welcome back. Now that we've added windows and we've assigned our rooms, let's add some doors. So again, there's two ways. You can type in the command line PO_add doors, or you can add them by clicking on the icon in the panel. So we can click on new door, and similar to Windows, the first thing you want to do is you want to select your rooms. So let's select all sublayer objects and hit enter. Now you want to select your doors. Again, let's do that by layer. Select objects and hit enter. So the rooms have now been added, and let's see, are we in, let's turn off that room selection mode. And when you select a room, it automatically selects the door with it. So now we've assigned windows and doors to our pollination project. Similarly to Windows, if you turn selection off, the room selection off, you can select the room and you can, okay, so it's in room 19119. So we'll expand that. Let's see, what face is it on? Oops. We want to select the face. So let's see, where does that door happen? I'm going to have to figure out which face the door is on. Here it is. So the door is assigned right here. Oh, that's the door to the back. We have a door in the front. So let's find that door. There you go. So if you want to change that door's properties, again, you can double click on it and you can rename it. You can say if it's glass or if it's opaque. And that's really important for daylighting and for energy, assigning the material properties to it. And you can make the same kinds of changes that you can change for your windows and your skylights. Okay, so that's a quick and simple one. That's how you add doors to your model.